Okay, guys, update on
Use two hands
the
on this.
McLaren. It isn't
Put it on
done
top.
yet.
No, leave it.
So this is what I have done so far.
No.
Just kidding.
No.
It's all finished.
No.
After 2 hard full days of work, I have finally finished the McLaren, and I'll do a showcase of my Ferrari and my McLaren together. Look how good this thing looks.
Okay, use two hands. Use two hands to be steady.
Look at the like reddish.
Slow is always better. Slow and gentle. Careful. Always careful. People who's most careful and takes their time. Careful and slow is the ones that win. Usually.
So, let's start from the back to the front. So, these are the rear lights, the fender thing, whatever. I don't know if you can see this, but it says McLaren. And these have stickers. There's stickers everywhere on these things.
Yeah, you are.
Now let's go to the side of the back. Not much to offer.
Melissa, you
A rear
grabbed 3.
tire.
You're supposed to take 1. You moved 3.
And sorry for the interruptions. Sorry for the
Now you
interruptions
just took 2
back there.
turns. No. Yes.
So this is
You
the
just
other
took 2
rear
turns.
tire. Now we're gonna move up to the front.
You
The
took 2
front,
turns, Alyssa.
it has a lot to
You
offer.
took 2 turns.
It
Alyssa,
has
you
the
took 2 turns.
windshield,
So now Rich
the
gets
guy
to choose.
inside the windshield, the lights, and a lot of Lego pieces were done in the front. This is the side front of the McLaren. Each side very unique. And then this is each side of the car.
Now it's your
Tire.
Now it's your turn.
This thing is heavy, pretty heavy. So that will be the showcase for this
Don't
video.
push too hard.
And I can see that something has come a bit loose, so I will tighten that down.
That one was coming out fine.
Oh, and from the back, you can see another little window.